get all that?
Got a lot of it.
Okay. Want more?
So you already got one on there, huh?
Yeah. I haven't plumbed it for air yet. But it didn't take as long as I thought it'd be.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's my first one.
Yeah.
Probably don't want to edit that out.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We're pretty transparent.
Yeah.
Did you have to get on the horn with the folks up in Utah, or did y'all just...
Pardon me?
Did you have to get on the horn with the guys in Utah, or did y'all just figure it out?
No, I figured it out. So, it's like a small jigsaw puzzle.
Kory's the man.
No.
So one down and...
one to go.
One to go.
And just plumbing the air.
Yeah.
So it won't
Good
take
deal.
long.